Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, what's top of mind is the need for warehousing efficiencies and the use of advanced technologies to provide superior customer service while achieving profitable results. So, that's dependent on three things. Number one is pick velocity. How often are you picking the same items from where? How efficiently have you set your warehouse up to do that successfully? Leads you to number two, and that is your use of automation, robotics, and advanced technologies. And that leads you to number three, because you need energy and electricity to power all of the above. According to a recent study by Lee and Associates for the Western states, only 1 in 5 warehouses are set up to handle basic automation from an energy usage standpoint. 1 in 25 is set up for advanced automation from an energy standpoint, and only 1 in 50 are set up according to the leading operators and how they function today. So we need to be focusing in on our end-to-end supply chain and supplying energy, automation, and smart picking methodologies and organization in our warehouses to be successful.